here in Taiwan. Let me show you one of them. This is from Supermicro. Get my exercise in today. Whoosh. I am the sound effect. Okay. All right, so this is a Supermicro server. You've got BlueFlu 3, you've got the CX7, you've got the Grace Hopper. Okay, but there are so many systems. There's so many systems. So this is Grace Hopper, this is Supermicro. There's so many systems. Let me show you some of them. And all of our partners, I'm so grateful. You're working on Grace, Grace Hopper, L40s, L4s, BlueField 3s. Just about every single processor that we're building are configured into these servers of all different types. And so this is Supermicro, this